Memories are there to remind us of things that have gone before. In the amidst of hot summer and in this pandemic situation, we the Velamalians of Ratan Tata Wing pay a tribute to the school. How far we have come in this quarantine situation that it now takes enormous progress in the e-learning session and a great deal of social distancing to perform e-learning experience in a successful one. Daffodils of 10A1 and the facilitators of the Ratan Tata Wing pay a tribute to their school, teachers and their friends.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing good, and I have to admit that I really miss you guys a lot and the way we enjoy at school. And now thanks to my school Velamal Vidyashram for providing learning classes that makes me to feel school at home. And now as a part of Thanksgiving, here my friends to express their gratitude towards our school, and here we go.
For Visionary, the school creates the learner the art of seeing what is invisible for others.
Eclectic. In Velamal libraries, we can find eclectic mix of books.
The live sessions held by the teachers of Velamal Vidyashram are clear and lucid.
A for accomplished, which means achieving goals successfully. During this pandemic, the online classes provided by our school helps in accomplishing our study goals.
Every student at Velamal hold their moral values as huge as massive.
Modem is helpful for attending the online classes held in Velamal Vidyashram.
Acclimatize. The students of Velamal get used to new conditions.
We are motivated by the school to write in our own words by using our creativity, which becomes a dictionary. Thank you.
Students studying in Velamal are versatile.
I for interdiscipline. We Velamalians always look for more than one branch of knowledge.
D for determination. School inspires us to dream bigger and achieve more for ourselves positively.
H. Heuristic. Allowing someone to learn something.
P. Expression of joy. This atmosphere keeps the young-minded happy. EP.
The students who are studying in Velamal are amenable with other students.
Yes, S stands for salutation. I salute our teachers for being with us during the lockdown period.
Living in harmony that I learned from Velamal Vidyashram with my family and nature during this lockdown period.
R for rejuvenate. Even in this lockdown, Velamal rejuvenate us.
Learning has been an adventure since joining Velamal.
Motivate. Velamal motivates its students at its best.
Tarun, sanctity for sadness. I believe in the sanctity of human life.
U for unity. We Velamalians are always unity to each other.
R for reinforcement, and positive reinforcement has always been the key of Velamal success.
Adorable means very appealing or attractive. We, the students of Velamal, are very adorable than other students.
Perseverance. At Velamal, perseverance always pays.
The letter E stands for effervescent. Effervescent means enthusiasm. We are very enthusiastic in our studies even though we are split in this quarantine.
T for transformation. School shapes and transform us to a better future.
Splendid. The future of Velamal students are always resplendent.
quality of our Velamal institutions.
The word A stands for admiration. I admire the quality of education provided by my school.
N stands for nurture. My school nurtures me in shaping my character and future aspects.
Tactician. Leading our college to guaranteeing victory is how a tactician wages strength. A stands for awesome. Our school offers a plenty of opportunities beyond the lectures and textbooks which we need to succeed, and that's awesome.
Tremendous. The word tremendous means that excellent. Future of Velamal students are always tremendous.
Ambitious. Our RT wing teachers help the ambitious minds to achieve their goals.
W stands for vision. Velamal always does good for the students.
Innovative means creative in thinking. The students of Velamal are always innovative.
N stands for naturalization. We are the students of Velamal Vidyaashram are grown in natural skills and embedded with powerful knowledge.
The letter G stands for generosity. Generosity means the quality of being kind. Donating food for needy environment makes me generous.
Students love to imagine, explore, build and create. As a teacher, we create opportunity for them to bring their imagination to life. We teachers thank the learners community for their cooperation shown during the social distance.
I thank all the class teachers, subject teachers, principal ma'am, ACU ma'am, management of Velamal Vidyaashram, respected CEO and chairman sir for initiating this e-learning session, and my friend saying unites us as Velamal Vidyaashram Surabaya.
It is possible for us in this pandemic situation to wake up with determination, go to bed with satisfaction of learning. Thank you.